Sizzling sirloin steak strips. 15 minutes, high protein with the steak and the peppers. This time we are using sirloin steak strips. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair One Hungry YouTube channel. If you have sirloin steak strips, this is almost 1 pound, this is another pound, and you have some peppers, let me give you the delicious, fantastic, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be spicy, and it's gonna be tangy. Let's do this in 15 minutes. Grab cast iron pan, put it on stove, take out our steak and give it a quick rinse. So this is the meat. Look at the strips, sirloin steak strips. So this one pack says 24 grams protein per serving. We are using 2 packs, so it's gonna be 48 grams of the protein right here. Put the stove onto high flame, at least 400 Fahrenheit. Take olive oil, half baking cup, add it in here. Let the pan get super hot. Cast iron pan is hot. You can see the smoke. It's ready for the steak, and here we go. Let's take ginger and garlic paste. Take 1 and 2 tablespoons. We'll take salt, regular, half tablespoon of the coriander, half tablespoon of the cumin, cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon. Let's take monosodium glutamate, 1 tablespoon. This is soy sauce, 1 and 2. Let's give this a stir. Whoa, look at these strips. Mix it for 1 minute all the way, so all the seasoning, all the flavors get mixed up. Let's take light brown sugar, 1 and 2 tablespoons in here. White distilled vinegar for the acidity and for the tangy flavor. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, again mix it. This is how you make the best flavoring sirloin steak strips. Easy. We marinated the whole steak while we are cooking it, and in 15 minutes we will be having delicious flavors. I promise you that. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes already. Our steak is here. Let's, for the kick, add some peppers. Of the red pepper. It will make the dish vibrant and it will make the dish flavorful at the same time. Together it's been 5 minutes on our steak. After 5 minutes, let's add these peppers. Give it a mix. At this time, the steak is on the premium tenderness. Let me show you this, the strips. Look at this. They are premiumly tender. Oh wow. Don't overcook your steak, trust me. And it's gonna be a bomb. We have the pepper in here. We will slice some green onions and the dill weed. Cover it with the lid for 5 minutes. Put it on medium flame. And after 5 minutes, our steak will be ready. For the topping, let's slice some green onion. You can use parsley or dill weed. Altogether, since we started this process, it's been 15 minutes. Turn off the stove. Don't overcook your steak. Your strips will be ruined. And here's the moment of truth. That's what it is. If you like juicy, flavorful steak, this is what it is. Let's grab the green onion, the dill weed, or you can do parsley. Look at this dish. Trust me, soothing, flavorful, easy to cook, high protein. If you don't want white rice with it, trust me, you can just eat this recipe with the fork and you're gonna enjoy it. Let it settle down. We will do a taste test. Here you go. It is settled down. It's not super hot. Let's put it on the same board. I have some rice right there. This is the bite. Let me show you, okay? The steak is not hard. You can see the red parts in there. Look at this. Some more of the sauce on the rice. Here's the taste test of it. And the strip on top. This is a premium bite, still steaming hot. But this is how you make healthy, clean, delicious food, high protein in 15 minutes. It's just hot. Look at this bite. The sauce is the boss. Put the steak on top. Imagine this bite. Make this recipe, 15 minutes, high protein steak recipe. It's a steak season. Enjoy this recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. If you love steak and peppers,